Hello everyone, my name is Rafal Polakowski and I'm representing city of Gdynia. It's a beautiful city on the coast of the Baltic Sea in Poland, and I would like to share with you some information about public participation. First of all, I would like to tell you why city of Gdynia decided to include our inhabitants to process of developing the city. Second one, I would like to give you some information about how we do it, and then show you the results of this action. City of Gdynia implement public participation in their strategies in two ways. First of it is organizing different kind of meeting, workshops or debates when citizens can get informed about what is going on, what are the purposes, what are the needs, and what are the possible solutions. The second way of public participation is using the electric tools, mainly internet one, to gather some information from the citizens. And for that reason we use, for example, our website called Mobilna Gdynia and other tools like See, Click, Fix or Fix It to gather information from our citizens and find out what are their needs. When it goes to the meeting in real life, so workshops or debates, we always give information about it in our website. It's called Mobilna Gdynia, and right there you can find information about all events connected to the development of SUMP or other changes in our city. Thanks to it, citizens could take part in those events, in workshops, for example, and then participate in the process of making decisions. For example, usage of prav metoda, let's translate it as Fix It. City encourage people to take part in walks together with people with reduced mobility, and during those walks they find out what are the problems for people with reduced mobility, and they make kind of reports about it to let us know that there are some investment needed in their neighborhood or in different parts of our city, thanks to which we can help them and solve those problems and make people more make city more accessible for different kind of people. It let us not only to include their ideas during the planning process, but also later on when the process is already in progress, when some investments are already done, and you can test if they are made properly. During CIVITAS Dynamo, Gdynia decided to create the first pedestrian zone in the city center. This process was quite important for us. We've picked 3 streets that we suppose were the best for the pedestrian zone, and then ask our citizens about their opinions. So which street is the best for them, how they would like to change the streets to make it more accessible and more attractive for pedestrians. After this process, which was quite long, it took us about 2 years to promote the idea, to show to people what we actually mean by pedestrian zone and what kind of changes could be implemented. We made also several surveys and workshops about this, and thanks to it we find out what are the problems. Of course, it was really intensive time, especially because of the fact that pedestrians in Gdynia doesn't know this idea, and we have to cope with different kind of interests. For example, shop owners and car drivers can think that maybe other solutions are better for them, and this problem of course occurred also in Gdynia. Thanks to it we managed to find out what are the needs and problems and fears of our society, and we are able to prepare better for implementation of the changes, so that they won't be just for a part of the time, just for some places, but so that they could be better understood and accepted by the majority of people. The most important fact in public participation is the acceptance of the people, so that the changes won't be some kind of ununderstood idea of the city officers, but to make changes that are needed, that are good for citizens and that make them feel better in their city. So thanks to the public participation, we could find out what changes should we make and make it as good as it possible. So to find out the best solution and optimize its implementation. So I know that the subject of public participation is quite hard for all the cities in Poland and probably in many other countries as well. I think that of course it's quite hard to invite other people to talk and to find the perfect solution that will fit everyone. Probably it is even impossible, but for sure it is really worth it to start talking and to try to find out the best solution, even if in the final version won't be the best for everyone, but still we can show people that there are different point of views, there are different needs, and sometimes the perfect solution just simply doesn't exist. Thanks to public participation, we can show also to the users and citizens that some problems got many different solutions, and we are trying to choose the best one, not the only one. Thank you very much for your participation in this e-course. I hope that my part gives you some kind of inspiration and you find out some interesting thoughts in it. I hope that your process of public participation will go well and you will finish it with the great implementation. Thank you very much.